Hello viewers, uh, this is our Paker Ghar. This is a business page, Facebook business page I have created for my buyer. This is cover picture and cover image size and name I have created. After that I have created logo and name selection Hamar Paker Ghar. This is business name, username Hamar Paker Ghar, and category kitchen and cooking. After that I have created a business related description here. Business related description is very important for a business. This is follower, like and follower here, and website, but my client does not have website, so I have not added here, and contact phone number and our email address, and business hour always open, and category. Also I have created autoresponder. If I click here, you have had here all messages and comments. All messages and comments you will handle from here is very easily. If you contact with him, just click here and you can write here, chatting with your customer from here. Facebook comments, all comments you will see here. Who will comment your post? There are more and more comments. You can comment display from here very easily. You can handle all comments and messaging by autoresponder. Okay. Also I have added here some auto responder question answer. Just click here. Instant reply when a visitor your visit your business page, he will receive a auto message, hi hello message. Here is I have added message. Also I have added frequently asked question, 3 question. When he will message your inbox, this question answer automatically will be sent. This is a question and this is the answer. From question answer it will be automatically sent from your business page. One question number 2, here a question and here answer. It is a very important for a business page. I have set up all here for my client. More engagement people is 288. Few days ago we have created this post for boosting. Few days ago boosting. This is I have boosted this post. 8.4k reach and 33 client message we have received, and already we have delivered some items. 20 orders we have completed, and 34 comments and 10 share. This is a boosting post. It is a normal post. 3,000 days, 3,700 days. We have ready this post for boosting. Today tomorrow we will boost this post. When client order me for boosting, I will boost. If you if you create a business page from me, then I will handle your all business if you want. So bears, okay, please order me by Fiverr and Upwork. I am a professional freelancer. I have 10 years of experience about graphic design, web design, and digital marketing. No more today. Okay, bye.